back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this wig. This hair is from UNice. I will have the link down below. It's like the Amazon vendor. They sent me 3 bundles, 12, 14, 16, as well as a frontal, a 12-inch frontal, I believe. Yeah, so I will be showing you guys how I made the wig and styling it and all that stuff and putting it on. So if you guys want to see how I got this video, just keep watching. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Today I'm going to be working with UNice hair. This is the wig that the hair that I received from them. And I received 3 bundles. I believe it's 14, 16, and 18 of their curly bundles. Here are all 3. Here is the frontal. I already washed it and bleached it. The knots were not bleached, so I did that off camera. It is still wet. And the hairline does look good. It looks like it's pre-plucked, but we will probably go back in and pluck some more. Yeah, and I love the curl as well. So I'm still learning how to apply the frontal on the front of the wig cap, so I did not show you guys how I did it because I really don't know how to do it yet. Like, I figured it out, but I don't know how to do it well enough to explain. So I did apply it. You can watch so many tutorials on the internet on how to like get the frontal part down on the wig cap. And if I look like, what the hell is she doing? It's because I'm really learning right now. So this is literally like a watch me do this and not necessarily a tutorial because I'm not qualified to teach yet on how to do this. I'm still learning. But yeah, I'm just sewing down the frontal, and this is how I do the knots, like to create like the knot in the thread. It probably looks weird, I don't know, but yeah. So I'm just gonna sew this down. And the biggest thing for the end part is to just make sure you don't sew it into the elastic band. Like, still sew it through the cap, not the band, or else you will lose the stretchiness on the wig cap. And I also want to apologize in advance for my audio. I know it sounds trash, but I don't have headphones right now that are compatible with my laptop, and I cannot find my beats, so I will fix that. But I did want to do this voiceover because people have been asking me to do them because I have not been talking in my videos. So I'm like, I have to talk, I have to. So I'm literally talking into my laptop. So please just bear with me, and I will be getting this together. But this is like, you know, I'm just sewing it down, and I'm making sure to knot it like at least 2 to 3 times to make sure it's secure on there. At first, I was doing I was threading it super close together, but as I got more comfortable, I did it like more spaced out because you really don't have to do it that close together, especially if you knot it a good 2 times for each one. And I did use like the fold over method. I do not cut the wefts. If you feel more comfortable, then of course you're able to do that. But I am, like I said, I'm still learning, so my technique may change, but this is what it is right now. Now we're all done. I'm just going to take the braid out, check my work, look and see how everything is looking. And then the next thing you're going to see me do is cut that cap out of the frontal area of the wig, but just make sure you don't cut too close to the thread, or else you can mess it up and you will have to go back in and sew it down, and that's not fun. So just be careful the first time around. Now we're just going to pluck behind the hairline. This is something I'm still perfecting, but what I can say is that just keep moving, like always keep the tweezers moving, don't stay in one area. And it's best if you pluck an area, skip an area, pluck an area, skip an area. But just like you see, if you just watch what I'm doing, I just keep moving, and then I do part at least like 2 to 3 layers behind the hairline, and that's pretty much it. And like always like check your work and then comb the hair out as well after like each, like, after you have plucked the section, comb it all back so then you can just like check it and see how it's looking. I'm gonna do baby hairs now. Comb it all back, wet the hair. Of course, baby hair is optional. Do it how you like it, to your liking. But before I do the baby hair, I will take the razor and just cut that baby hair. And I make sure I not cut. I don't cut too much, but you want to cut it short enough so that it'll complete a whole swoop, for the baby hair. It's now the next day. The hair has dried and I'm just about to cut the lace off. I'm going to cut it off using very small scissors. You can use the same razor, whatever is comfortable for you. You can cut it off your head, on your head. You really just have to do what works for you. Personally, I like to cut it on my head because it gives me a better visual. I also make sure I cut it jagged and not in a straight line, like so do kind of like small zigzags so it doesn't look too perfect, or else you will look like you got a helmet on your head. I use this Sally Hansen airbrush spray to tint the knots. Yes, we bleached them, but you also have to tint them so it's like mimics the color, the color of actual scalp. So yeah, this one can be way darker, but that's why I also use powder. But now I'm just going to go and style it. I'm not really doing much besides just the baby hair. And I did not glue this one down. Literally, it's just on my head. I have not been using the glue. If I do anything, I just use the got to be spray, the freeze spray, and that's about it. So once I style the hair, that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, be sure to check out UNice. I will have the link down below of where you can get this hair and all those other details. Forever